a particle of mass 5m at rest. So this is 5m mass, and this 5m mass is at rest initially. Suddenly breaks onto its own into 3 fragments, 2 fragments of mass m. So this is m and this is m. They move along mutually perpendicular direction. So they are actually, the angle between them is 90 degrees. Okay, perpendicular. With each speed v. So the speed is going to be v for both of them. The energy released during the processes. So we are taking a line along the perpendicular not perpendicular. This is the angle bisector. Okay, of these both velocities v. So let us take this as x, and this direction becomes y. So therefore momentum has to be conserved in both the directions x and y. So if we see in the x direction, we have the momentum here, for this is going to be, so this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree. So therefore mv cos 45 degree, and again here also mv cos 45 degree. So this 3m, because initial mass was 5m, so therefore m and m, and this should be 3m. So the 3m, let us say it's flying off with velocity v1. Now why this v1 should be along the perpendicular bisector? Because in y direction, if you see, then the momentum gets cancelled out of both of them. Okay, so in y direction, this is going to be mv sine 45 degree, and here also mv sine 45 degrees. So since both of them are the same in magnitude in opposite direction, so they get cancelled out. Now if this v1 is not along this direction, if it is having like any else direction theta, then it will have some component in the y direction, no? And that will not lead to the conservation of momentum in y direction. So therefore this has to be gone. So therefore in x direction, when we conserve momentum, it's going to be 2mv cos 45 degree should be equal to 3m v1. m is gone, so therefore v1 becomes 2 by 3 into 1 by root 2, which is equal to root 2 by 3 v. Now the energy released during the process is going to be the energy initial the 3 at rest. Okay, so energy initial was 0. Now energy final, what's the final energy? This is going to be half into m v square plus half m into v square plus half into 3m v1 square, which is 2 by 9 v square. So this again it goes as 3. So this is mv square 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus gone, this is 1 by 3. So 4 by 3 mv square. So this is the final energy, and of course initial energy was 0 in terms of kinetic energy. Now there is some mechanism by which the energy is produced. Okay, like we have gunpowder, or different things can be there to cause the fragmentation. Okay, that's another thing, but yes, the final energy is 4 by 3 mv square, and initial energy, kinetic energy initial was 0. So therefore 4 by 3 mv square is the energy which is released during the process. Therefore the answer is D. Thank you.